Clara now. What's that emergency?
Hi. One of my housemates is attacking another of them.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You said your husband's attacking someone?
Housemate.
Okay, what's the address?
No, this is not good. You guys have it playing with me. Do you think that's good? Please help me. That's good. Please help me.
Hello?
Please help me. Please help me.
Sir?
Please help me.
Put the knife down!
Okay, sure.
Put the knife down!
Sure.
It began with a desperate 911 call from a terrified housemate. The caller, panicked and gasping for breath, reported that one of his housemates was attacking another inside their home. The dispatcher tried to gather information, asking for the address, but chaos could be heard in the background. The caller pleaded repeatedly, "Please help me. Please help me." As the situation grew more violent by the second, moments later, the caller could be heard saying the attacker had armed himself with a knife. Then another voice in panic. "He's got another knife. Jesus Christ." Before the line filled with shouts and confusion, when police arrived at the scene, bodycam footage shows officers approaching the door with weapons drawn. They knocked and shouted, "Police, open the door!"
Please open the
several
door!
times, but there was no immediate response. After a tense pause, they entered the home.
Open the
Inside,
door!
the officers encountered chaos. People were
Put the
shouting,
knife down!
and one man stood
Put the
holding a
knife
knife.
down!
Officers ordered him to drop it. "Put the knife down. Put the knife down." The suspect hesitated, and in the next moment, shots were fired. The scene erupted into shouting as officers called out over the radio, "Shots fired! Shots fired!" As smoke cleared, officers moved quickly to secure the scene and check for victims. One injured man cried out, "I'm being stabbed. I'm trying." While another officer urged him to move towards safety, the wounded victim struggled to walk, clutching his abdomen and shoulder. Officers called for paramedics, reporting at least 2 stab wounds, one to the shoulder and one to the neck. A knife lay beside the attacker's hand, and another blade was found near his leg. Within minutes, backup units and medical teams arrived. Officers handcuffed the suspect and began administering first aid to the victim, using a trauma kit on the floor. Despite the chaos, the officers maintained control and ensured that no one else inside the house was harmed. The victim was transported to a nearby hospital in serious condition. The suspect, now in custody, faces multiple charges, including attempted murder and assault with a deadly weapon. Investigators later confirmed that the incident started as a violent argument between housemates that escalated rapidly. Authorities praised the quick response of the officers, noting that their immediate action likely saved lives. The case remains under investigation as officials review the 911 recording and bodycam footage to understand what led to the sudden outburst of violence inside the home.